Tā, mani sauc Māris Strombergs, esmu pasaules un olimpiskais čempions BMX-ā.
From Latvia, Maris Strombergs. Strombergs gonna take it home.
But committed no crime and bad mistakes.
No kā tu baidies? No kā tev bail?
No augstuma.
No augstuma?
Jā. Vai cik jocīgi nelikās.
Looks like one of the Americans going through, but it's going to be Strombergs. Strombergs from Latvia. He's away there. Saviso Nalalpo up there for two. Strombergs. Nalalpo.
We are the champions, my friends.
Then we've got Cesar going through. Looks like it might have been Cesar through there. Then we had Saviso Nalalpo coming through.
Dzels vecs, es neraudu. Man arī prasīja olimpiādē pēc tam, vai iebraucot finišā vai uz apbalvošanas tā podestiņu, vai man nenāca asars. Es saku, nē, es saku, tā ir vairāk tomēr sieviešu pagarīšana.
I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before